Welcome to today's back workout. We're going to be training upper back and lower back, which is so important to do. Shout out to my premium members that are doing amazing things. You guys are just, no words. Let's jump into the workout. We are starting our warm-up today with makarena hops. If you don't already have your warm-up done, pause the video, check the description box. I have suggestions in there for you. Otherwise, do this quick warm-up to get your body back up and running and ready to work, because we are doing so much. It's so important to do these exercises. They make a huge difference. First move of the day is your wing fly. You want to make sure your feet are pointed forward. Your weight should be in your heel. And then you're going to fly away like a bird. Make sure your core is tight, your back is flat, and your hands should be at a 45-degree angle from your body. So you look like a very sophisticated airplane. That is awesome. There you go. Good. Make sure your feet are pointed forward. Toes should be facing me. Very good. Raise your arms past your waist level, all the way up. Perfect. That was so good. Find a wall. If you have done this exercise a few times before and you want to hold on to dumbbells as we do this, I encourage you to experiment with that. It's not going to make you bulky. 5-10 pounds, you should be good. Maybe 3 pounds even. You can experiment. What you're doing here is you're leaning against that wall. Your lower back should be touching the wall. Your arms should be on the wall. Bring your arm all the way down. Perfect. Once your upper arm is parallel to the floor, you want to raise it back up. Really squeeze those muscles in your upper back as you do this. It's going to burn, but that's what we want. Keep that back on the wall. Keep your arms touching the wall. That was perfect. Our next move is triangle rows. I apologize for the view. I had to show this to you properly. Watch my back. Notice the back muscles, how they are working. That's what you're going for. Really squeeze those shoulder blades together. Engage your back muscles. You are bringing your arms down at an angle, as if you're pulling something from the ceiling. Pulling your dream body. Pulling your dream man. Pulling your dream house. Excuse me. Got carried away there. That looks good. Make sure your feet are pointed forward. Your toes should be straight. Very good. Our last move before you get a break is your hinged side rotations. If you have a set of dumbbells you want to use, I encourage you to hold on to them. That's the modification you see on the right. This is going to challenge you in a very good way. You want a slight bend in your knee. This time your toes are pointed slightly outward and you're raising one arm at a time. You want to raise that arm all the way. Keep your core nice and tight as you do this. If you're using dumbbells, it's going to also work your shoulders a little bit, but it's really going to challenge you and strengthen your back. Get it nice and toned. Hello! This is you 2.0. That was awesome. Take a moment to rest. Hi, I'm Cola, just like Coca-Cola, and while you're catching your breath, I just wanted to quickly mention that life is so much easier on my website. You get early access to all my YouTube videos. You get exclusive educational videos that are not available on YouTube or anywhere else. You get premium 30-minute workouts. You get all of my love. I got carried away there. You can grow your booty with my 8-week booty program. You can lose your belly fat with my 21-day belly fat focus program. You can be consistent with your workout routine by using my 30-day challenge, and you can reach all your wildest health and fitness goals with my 12-month full year workout schedule. All of this is available to you to try for free on KobokoFitness.com. So go ahead, check it out. I think you'll be glad you did. Welcome back. We are going to the floor to do a lying lat press. You're going to bend your knee, keep your feet flat on the floor, and raise your upper body on your elbows. Don't think too hard about it. Just give it a shot and you will see that you can do it. Very good. Dig those elbows into the mat. It will help you keep your palms open, facing up. Squeeze your back as you do this. If you're just learning to engage your back muscles, you will not feel it right away. That's totally normal. Last move of the day. We are going to do the Superman. This is one of the best exercises for your lower back. It cannot be beat. It's also one of the most awkward. Cannot be beat. Keep your arms and legs wide and then raise them up at the same time. Hold, release. Raise, hold, release. It's all good. It's all good. You're doing all right. Do your best. I'm not going to lie to you. This doesn't get any more. It doesn't get less awkward. It's always going to be awkward, but we're awkward together. That was awesome. You worked out today. Thank you so much for working out with me. I think you're amazing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Visit my website, KobokoFitness.com. I think you're going to love it.